Yeah, I heard you cough like 3 times over the course of 3 days.
A pretty bad cough, I don't know. A cough per day?
I'm recording the next podcast right now.
Oh wow, that's really cool.
What do you even podcast about?
Nothing.
Yeah, basically.
Cadence, did you dislike the last one?
Yes.
That's racist.
I think I actually said that's racist in
Trying to
comments,
figure
but
out
I'm not sure.
No, you didn't. What did you say?
What did I say? I think I said that's you, Adam, or something. I can't remember what I said.
Yeah, I can't remember either.
This is why I will never take an art class again.
Yeah,
You're in art class.
good idea.
Discouraging me from being an artist.
Excuse me, I told you that you were the greatest artist that ever lived.
Okay, what did you say,
I
Cadence?
said she, as in Mrs. Norris.
Oh!
You said Adam, you're bad.
Oh. Adam, you're bad!
That's racist.
What?
You're a racist.
What?
What?
Where is Kay? When is she going to get home from dance?
I don't know. She never gets home from dance. She probably fell while sitting again.
Probably. She probably broke her leg.
Classic.
For the 3rd time!
This month.
I don't understand where the name Cake came from, but...
Luke called her cake because she's quote unquote sweet.
That's horrible.
It was really cringy when he said it. Luke, you called her sweetie and she felt shut up, Kaden. When you called her sweetie, she felt like really weird. That's what she told me during tech.
She felt really weird.
Yes, she does not like it.
What if I played this randomly?
Don't do anything.
We were in that channel.
No, don't play any of your terrible music.
Please don't. Wait, I'm gonna mute both of the bots to be sure.
No.
Do it.
No.
I can't help falling in love with you. Call me Kevin.
Luke,
What is that?
Luke, I'm doing my podcast. I can't play any music.
Come
Oh,
on.
it's not copyrighted.
It probably would be. Got him.
Well, it's not.
Well, you're not. Oof.
Ooh.
Well, you know it's not done yet? My art project. I
Well,
need
you're in our
homework.
project.
Luke, can you show the people watching the podcast your beautiful art project?
Oh yes, please. I really liked your portrait of an.
Can you put it closer?
What is that?
It looks like a pizza slice.
You done with it?
It literally looks like a pizza slice with a bunch of dots on it.
I left your hand. I did not know that.
Yes, that's my hand.
You're a hand.
I had to look at it really closely, and then I realized.
Oh my goodness.
What?
I don't know. I just wanted to say, oh my goodness.
Luke, why is there a face outside your window?
What?
What?
I can look at the wrong side.
Classic.
I think I scared him off.
You hit the window.
Probably. It was probably ghetto.
And he's, I can imagine that.
What?
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 Classic Macha's mom got him.
Oh.
And then you're done?
Got
I
him.
don't know who this is.
We should have already been done
Macha,
Podcast, guys.
Macha, what about your hygiene?
Come on, Misha. Do your hygiene, Misha.
I just wanted to let you know that you speak to your mother in a very condescending
Yes, the Micah's mom voice is back.
What can I add to my art project?
Nothing.
I don't know. I mean, it's already really beautiful. I've never seen a more beautiful picture.
incomplete.
Like, come on. Yeah, what are you doing, Mitchell?
What am I doing? I'm looking at what I have to do.
And you're done?
Yes.
I'm about to put you in this box and put you someplace. You better-
Got him!
Did she say she was gonna put him in a box?
That was a real got him moment.
Animal abuse.
Him!
That is actually animal abuse.
Oh my god.
I mean, for the record, Todd does have some sass.
Right, Mitchell does have some
Come
sass.
on, Mitchell. Stop it with the sassy attitude.
God.
Anymore.
Get in, stop. The
Oh
sassy
my God,
attitude.
so sassy.
Nobody says that.
Exactly. That's why it's bad.
Hey guys, I got a high quality fruit.
What is it? Micah!
High quality fruit.
Micah,
It's not any fruit. It's just a
Micah,
high
turn on your
quality
face cam. We need to see it.
Yeah.
Okay, well, what do you think it is first?
A coconut.
I guess it is a pomegranate.
Why would I have a
Can you like scan it and print out a copy of it for me?
No. No, I'm not gonna do that. Why would I do that?
Mitcha, I never asked you this. What is your spooky profile picture?
Oh, I know what it is.
Great.
You wouldn't understand.
What is it from?
It's from Slay the
I'll
Spire.
give you one more guess.
PewDiePie chair?
No.
Does your chair do this?
Whose chair doesn't do that, Luke? Come on.
Okay, well, what is
Oh
it?
my god. Luke, can you demonstrate again?
No. I trust my.
Hang on, I'm gonna be examining
What was
this.
this?
Okay,
What is this? Does your chair do this? Oh, my hand!
Does your chair do this?
Mitchell, hold on. Compare them.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Oh,
Wow.
that's
I
pretty
know.
good,
I know.
Misha.
Aw, come on.
What's the fruit?
Oh, Adam, you want to know something that's really
Watermelon.
exciting?
What?
Banana.
Adam,
What?
want to know something really exciting?
What?
Banana.
I might try to play Half-Life tomorrow.
Why?
Because why not?
Yay!
I just feel like trying it.
Yay!
No.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You know, this banana has a weird shape. Very difficult to draw.
I'm writing it down.
I'm already writing it.
Okay.
Very difficult.
Cool.
That's like what Sean said earlier.
Classic Mitch.
It's big.
No. What Sean said on the boss.
You know, this banana needs to be thicker.
Write that down. Classic Machado. He's so nonchalant. What, Luke?
My
Hang on, I'm
watermelon.
gonna make the thick with two C's.
Oh god, you're so bad.
It's gotta be with two C's if it's thick, okay?
That technically says dicer.
Okay, that's a pretty thick
It's funny,
banana.
Nah,
yeah.
technically it says Pfizer.
That's a pretty thick banana. You're doing good so far.
Am I the only
pretty
person
thick
in this server
banana.
that doesn't have admin?
Probably.
Okay,
You're a
I
server that doesn't have admin.
It's because you always abuse it, Luke. You take everybody
Oh,
else's.
no.
Yeah, come on, Luke. And then you try to play a really bad
And
song.
Queasy brother doesn't.
Yeah.
You look like Queasy
Neither does
brother.
Ache or Tony.
Well, they're never
I
here.
like that name, just
Fiery,
Queasy
fiery.
brother.
Queasy
I
brother.
don't know why, but that really makes me laugh.
Makes me laugh.
Yes.
Queasy brother. His name is just
Have a
Queasy
chocolate
brother. What else needs to
milkshake.
be said?
Thank you.
Nobody knows his real name. It's just Queasy
Okay,
brother.
now I'm gonna have to draw the
Hey.
wood next to the
Riley,
banana.
Write that down, write that down.
Wood.
No, he only said draw the wood. Write it down.
Oh, okay. Kiwi's calling me.
Classic Kiara. Hello?
Where did my other Gatorade bottle go?
That's you, Mata!
Draw the wood.
Oh, there's no toilet paper?
Gotta have to draw the wood.
You would like me to bring you toilet paper. Oh,
Come get that toilet paper.
okay.
Get that toilet paper.
Hold on, let me finish
I
drawing
don't
this
need
banana.
watermelon. I need you to draw me a picture of.
Get the hygiene.
Okay.
Do your hygiene!
You're falling behind schedule. Go, go, go. Vitar,
This is
Vitar.
not a drill.
Luke, look!
What?
I'm on the last question.
Congratulations. I didn't even do that.
What did you do?
I couldn't figure it out.
Yeah, I can't figure it out either. I've been staring at it for like 5 minutes. Like, what are you even
Hey,
supposed
Adam,
to do?
Does your chair do this?
Ow, my hand! Let me try it. I just gotta get up and say, ow, my hand! Okay, let's look at this.
Oh, my hand. No, you're back. Did you
Ow, my hand!
Did you give her the hygiene, Mitcha?
Yeah.
Macha, have you been able to do the last question? I don't even know how to start it.
I don't either. That's
Oh,
why
I'm
I
kinda
was just
drawing
like
a banana.
something down.
Yeah, I'll see what it is.
Did you finish it?
There goes my glue.
No.
Is
I
this a
think
new
having you
packet?
started it,
Like due
I'm going to
tomorrow or
let them.
something?
Yeah, half of it's due tomorrow, and the rest of it's due over the
Adam, can you draw
weekend,
me a
and we
piece
got
of
another
watermelon
one.
for art?
No.
I would appreciate it.
Mm-mm.
What?
Oh, I can hear Mitchell's
Did
mother
you draw a
screaming in the
background?
background.
Not this time. Not this time,
Draw a
Michelle.
person's hand holding it.
We love you, Dan TDM. We love you, Pewdie.
We love
Luke,
you.
look at this.
Microsoft.
What?
Look at this baseball.
That's nice.
Luke.
Mitchell, can you say it for the podcast?
I had to like dive to the ground in gym class today when Adam threw a baseball at me.
Oh yeah, he like chucks them.
It's just okay, cat
I
ends.
literally had to dive to the ground because he threw it right at my head.
He was trying so hard not to chuck them at me.
Well, cat ends. You see my throwing motion. It's like this.
Also, you really want to hit me with that.
He's like a professional baseball player.
Not really.
You really want to kill me.
That's why he's in non-competitive gym class.
Yeah, obviously. I mean, he's just the least competitive person in the entire
Well,
world.
the only reason why I'm there is because you guys are.
That's why Ache was, and then he got moved to the competitive class.
He didn't get moved. He wanted to be in the competitive
Oh,
class.
I thought he got moved. Oh, I'm so silly.
See, Luke, you just gotta do stuff like this if you want to throw it fast.
Yeah, I know how to throw it fast.
Well, why don't you? Got him.
Is this good enough?
This is my sister. Drawing.
That's beautiful. Macha, Macha.
Oh, which one is better, the left or the right?
Oh my god, that's a big watermelon.
Oh my god, that's a big watermelon.
The watermelon's bigger than the sun.
Just like we see.
You're
I
right.
have to say,
Which is better?
Don't know.
oh, this is cold. This ice cream's kind of cold.
It's ice cream.
Really, Mitcha? I didn't know that ice cream would be cold. That's so
Do you think she'd
shocking.
accept this one?
Probably not.
Most
The
likely.
stick figure.
You should give that to her along with the other ones, so that you have double the chance of getting it.
Mitcha is a stick figure.
Right.
He's very skinny and short.
Take it.
Thank you.
You're
Riley, she doesn't really want giant watermelons with stick figures next to them.
Did Riley do that?
Yes.
He threw Arden.
I know, right?
Why is hers better than
Yes, draw a hand. This is mine.
Okay, I'm just gonna move to...
Good job.
Luke, you're so bad.
No, you.
My
Adam.
sister actually drew one for me, and Mrs. Norris accepted it.
I think...
Classic Macha.
I can't open it.
Who are you, Papyrus? Yeah.
Virus.
Classic Macha. You can't even be a more classic Macha at this point.
You will never defeat.
Oh, it's so cold.
It's so cold. Okay, I'm gonna go get some water and be like, it's so cold.
Do it.
What's cooler than cool?
Mitch, randomly put your hands in the air.
Oh my god.
Adam.
Ice cream is so soft. Very tasty.
Dark chocolate's tasty. Oh no. Oh wait, it's already muted. Okay, we're all good. Oh no. Just disconnect.
No.
Get them out of here. Got him.
Wow.
Got him. Got him. Got him. Got him. Got him. Got him.
What are you doing, Macha?
Misha, what are you doing?
I'm coloring.
Oh.
Come on.
Oh, is that the person I think it might die?
Is that the person I think it might die?
It's so cold.
That's a big splinter. Oh my god.
Oh my god, Mitcha, stop giving yourself splinters.
That could have been...
So Macha, did you finish the last question or not?
Oh yeah, I forgot.
Yeah, can you finish it for me and just give it to me in French?
Can you just give it to me right now?
Can you just give it to me right now too?
100 square inches.
0 square inch.
Got him.
I mean, we could just look it up.
Right.
That is true.
Yeah, I found a bunch of answer keys for these things on the internet.
Did you really do it that way?
Hard.
Even I was able to do most of these questions. These should not be giving you troubles.
No, cadence. I don't have to use them for most of them, but stuff like this last one, this one is really difficult.
They're always hard.
I don't know how. I don't even know how to start it.
If I don't know the answer to a question, I'm probably just gonna leave the Regents test. I'm just gonna take
You're gonna be on the last one. Okay, I guess I can't do this. See you guys in August.
No, I'm not gonna take it in August. I'm just gonna. I mean, of course, if I take it in August, then if the last one I don't know how to do, then I'm just gonna walk out again.
See you guys in January. Classic Drac.
I mean, if I keep doing that, I'm gonna keep taking algebra forever.
Yeah.
Nice.
Nice. Yo, play solo.
We did it.
Why are you?
Luke, stop.
Don't do it, please. No more.
My finger really hurts. There's literally no nail.
One small step for man, 7 small steps for mankind.
Macha, are you ever gonna tell us the answer to the last question?
Yes, answer please.
I have no idea.
I don't even know how to start it. It's so confusing.
Oh, Luke, that was kind of scary.
Just like you, Kedda.
Coloring a banana.
Cadence, are you coming back tomorrow?
No.
No?
Good job, keep on.
He'll just pretend to have the flu again.
Band concert?
Thank you.
The awesome band concert? What are you talking about, Luke?
How awesome really is
Band's
this
playing at the
awesome?
assembly.
Oh.
What else can I add to this stupid piece of watermelon?
Everything.
7.
I did the dots.
I did the dots. I did the dots.
7 more dots.
I did the dots.
Watermelons.
There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 already.
I did the dots. I did the dots. I don't know what else to say. I did the dots.
Adam, your camera is on.
Luke, it's because your computer's terrible. I did the dots.
How are you speaking? You're taking a sip of water.
What do you mean he was taking a sip of water?
Luke,
His camera's on.
Is it delayed for you? Oh, okay.
it's really
Yes.
your computer's just so bad, Luke.
It's actually so good that it saw the future.
True.
Oh.
So Adam will take a sip of water. I don't know.
Wow, Mitchell, you're really.
Machar, what kind of face cam do you have?
Shining right through.
Thank you.
Machar, what kind of face cam do you have?
What is that?
Oh my goodness, that was great.
Machar, can you move your webcam to the left? I want to see what's over there.
Oh yeah.
No,
We've never
actually
been able
the
to see
right.
that.
The right then.
Yeah, the right.
Oh my god, it's your
Yeah,
bed.
bed.
There's nothing else.
You have a very nice. Okay, Mitchell, you have a very nice room. Honestly, it's a desk, a computer chair, and a bed. Good job. It's really nice.
Guys,
I like the decoration.
Empty.
Are you bullying my room?
I have to submerge my finger in the water because my finger really hurts.
My finger really hurts.
Why?
Still.
Oh, is it is it because of your
Hand.
hand? Ow, my hand!
Oh, my head.
Okay, what's your favorite flavor of ice cream?
Well, there's
Chocolate.
a thing that I get from Price Chopper sometimes.
Chocolate
It's
or
called
chocolate?
double dark chocolate, and it's dark chocolate with chocolate chips inside of it. It's great.
No, it's not. Got
I
him.
can't have much else because
I like chocolate or Death by
am a
chocolate.
peanut-free boy.
Ew, never say that ever again. That's so bad.
I'm also a hazelnut-free boy.
Shut up, Kaden.
Yeah. Is that why you don't have hazel eyes?
Sure.
Is your hazel free?
Sure, Luke.
Luke, you're so stupid.
Classic.
Adam, you claim you can't draw better than this?
Yes.
Wow.
What is that finger? It looks like a small sausage.
That's what it's supposed to be. Look at my thumb.
Okay, this does not look like a small sausage.
That's almost all my drawing.
Those are Queesy's fingers.
That was a good quote, actually.
Wait, my drawing, guys.
This one, Macha.
You're just drawing the background as a bunch of lines?
Lines.
This does not look like a small sausage.
No. Watch what I'm gonna do with the background, okay?
Okay.
Uh-oh, gotta take the Luke sip. Buffalo.
Classic The Rock.
It's actually Derek.
Dawick.
The Rock Johnson.
Manama Dawick.
Guys, it's The Rock Johnson.
Oh, yes, of course.
Derek. Johnson.
Yes.
Yes.
I am so proud of this community.
Who isn't?
Dawick.
Dope. I have to put on this, whatever it is, chapstick.
Did you say Kawhi? Falafel?
Falafel?
Come on, Mitcha.
Falafel? Falafel?
Machado, you've been stuck on this one math problem for like 2 hours, 3 hours now.
He's making his art project now.
He's making his art project now.
Idiot.
Idiot.
You stupid idiot.
Cadence, didn't you have to leave like 20 minutes ago?
I wanted to stay for the podcast because I was having
Because I was having fun.
Yo, that's so bad.
Exactly.
Oh, John said yo in math class today again.
He
Ew.
did?
Yes.
What is that supposed to mean?
I remember that.
Why does he say yo? It's so cringy whenever he says
No,
it.
I noticed that there was like a connection, and then I said, yo.
He said something like that again. It
Yeah.
was so bad.
Machado, you done with the background yet? I want to see how you do it so I can copy it for my watermelon.
Come on, I just want to see. I want to see what Machado.
It's a bunch of lines. Come
I
on.
want to see what Machado has done with his drawing, and then I will go.
Okay, listen, I'm very good at drawing, okay? I'm actually a master builder. I don't
Is
think
it
you
Nick a
want
master builder?
Can you
Oh, yeah.
show us what it looks like right now, Mitcha?
Okay.
So you're just doing that?
That's beautiful.
Thank you.
Thank you. Can I do that?
Can you do that?
Can I do that?
I don't know, can I?
Do that?
It depends on your artistic abilities, you know?
I can draw a bunch of lines.
I can draw.
Oh, bunch of lies.
No, these are special lines, okay?
You're very special.
Oof, got him.
Thank you.
Ooh. Damn.
Dub.
What was that?
What was that?
What?
Luke, what are you doing?
Yeah.
Okay.
Are you talking about my magic where I put my pencil up my nose
No.
and then pull it out of my ear?
Wow, that was fantastic.
Or how I conjure Pringle cans out of nowhere?
Whoa.
There it goes. Where is my milkshake?
Yeah, I'm just gonna have to look this up. Can somebody look this up? What the?
No, you can't do it
Well,
on
I'm
the
gonna
actual
go,
TV
so I'm
because it just
not
tells you
gonna
the
look this
answer.
up.
No.
No.
Where's my Pringles can?
Yes.
Yeah,
Yeah.
those things that do the work.
Yeah, you can find things that have done the work. Yeah.
Yeah, you can find things that have done the work. Yeah.
Shut up, Cadence. Nobody likes you.
Bye.
Bye.
Dab.
The actual region's key just tells you the answer and
That's
says the amount of
Nobody cares about the actual regions. Oh my god, you can find stuff with other people's work.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Jesse, watch this. I'm gonna do it right now.
Okay, Machado, you do it.
Can I like copy it off of you in art/French tomorrow?
Or just copy it right now, I don't know.
Do you think she would accept me drawing my background as just a bunch of random lines? Is that what you've been doing, Macha?
I just draw a table.
No, I'm drawing wood.
Machado, Jeff is behind you, and Samson.
Like wood. Right?
What's up, Jeff?
Yeah.
Is it banana?
Yeah.
Hey, I'm good.
Macha.
No, my drawing. Okay,
Macha, can you say that I said, what's up, Jeff?
What's that for?
Adam said, "What's up, Jeff?"
What's going on?
Hey.
You guys getting enough homework lately or what?
Yeah, we're on the last.
We're on the last
We're about
question,
to finish.
We don't know what to do. Like, can you figure this out?
It doesn't even make any sense. Like, what is
I
it?
don't understand how you do it.
I break your picture measures in 6 by 8.
They didn't have chocolate?
Luke, what are you talking about?
I'm talking about my milkshake. Macha, if she rejects this, I'm blaming it on you.
Okay, what do you got?
Riley, can you put some in mine?
Is it a second rectangle?
Thank you.
Well, I don't need to draw it.
So
I need to write an equation.
so in my mind, it's a 6 by 8, so that's going to be 48 square inches.
Mhm.
And it needs to be 100 square inches, so that means that there is 50.
So it's a maximum area.
Okay. We're gonna write an equation?
Yes.
Alright, so what I would say,
I don't know how to write an equation for this. It doesn't even make any sense.
basically you forgot, you gotta draw the second square because the frame is thick. So what you have to do is figure out
Where's my straw?
how you make that
Thank you.
frame less than 100 square centimeters, which means it has to be less than, 10 by 10 or something like that. How do you do that? How do you set it up? Why are you scratching your head?
I don't know.
I'm just giving you the idea. You gotta figure out. I don't know how to do the equation. So my question is that if you have another box around this one, it's equal width all the way around.
So
So how,
this is a picture. They want the frame
the
to take
frame,
up 100
right.
inches.
So for example, if the width was 2 inches, is it inches? If it was 2 inches wide, let's say, right? It would be an 8 by 10 frame. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, I see.
Which would be 80 square inches.
Yeah, but I still don't know how to do it.
Well, I don't know how to write the inequality.
Weird.
Been a minute. Write the equation inequality you use to determine the maximum width.
This is so confusing.
Say
I'm
something?
the best at drawing. This is the best drawing you've ever seen of a
Why, can you
banana.
put a knot that makes it look like a piece of wood?
Yes.
Sure.
Okay, can you tell that this is wood?
Macha, can we see it?
I want to see it.
Give me an inequality equation. How can you do 35?
What?
Why is 35 then?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Macha, 35 is really easy.
Number 37, huh?
37's the hardest one.
Well, give me an example of inequality. Where's your notes?
We don't have any.
They can't figure out inequality. I'm giving you a goal here. It's you gotta use your brain more
This
than
is
mine.
the worst gold I've ever seen.
I gave you an oh yeah moment.
Oh, yeah.
Supposed to give us the answer.
What do you got? You paper.
What do you give it?
You have 5 pounds of paper here. One of them has to have an inequality.
I could ask my dad what to do.
Ask your dad, Luke.
Oh, is this your dad?
He's like, yes, he's an accountant.
Oh, okay, so ask him. My dad doesn't know how to do this. Luke, we can see you in the window. We forgive you, Microsoft. Minecraft, it is our life. We love Minecraft. It is our hub.
Okay. I guess I have an inequality here.
Where's it? Okay. Horrible
I
example.
don't know if it helped you.
This is just like New Clarendon Park, except much harder.
There's not a graphic.
Because New Clarendon Park actually told you what the parameters were. Doesn't tell you literally anything.
Okay, so the width would be your X or Y. What do you want to use? A Y? What do you use for inequality? Let me use my brain for a minute.
Are you already using your brain before?
Ah,
Maybe that could have been the problem. I don't know.
Classic Macha. With the slight sass, you can't even get a more classic Macha.
What's this?
What? I don't know. I just kind of.
I'll see inequalities here. Inequality is one thing you're not going to
When have you ever used an inequality?
I said no.
Well, have you ever used an inequality?
Yeah, when I was in ninth grade.
That doesn't really help. My
So-
teacher always compares it to building bridges. Like we're all gonna build bridges or something when we get older.
Yeah,
But
classic Sherry.
I don't really see myself being Bob the Builder, but I guess in her eyes, we're all Bob the Builder.
I mean, Queasy is already Thomas the Tank Engine, so, I mean, all we need is Bob.
Of course.
Luke went to go get his dad, but it's taken like 5 minutes. Oh, he's back. Speak to the devil. Literally.
I don't see his dad anymore.
Luke, did your dad tell you how to do it?
No, he told me to get the answer.
Yeah, exactly.
2015?
Yes. Right?
Luckily, it's already in my search history.
I wonder why.
Luke, with your McCafe. Macha, we were reading this book in Spanish, and there was this guy, he was on The Price is Right, and he could have won this card, which would have given him free McDonald's for the rest of his life. And so I told Queasy about it, and then he would have wanted it. What if Queasy won that? How big do you think he would get? Universal proportions.
Answer.
It would be like
Did you find
Queasy's weight. It would be like 1 to 13, and then once he turned 14 and he got the card, it would be like an exponential graph. It would just go like.
exponential growth?
Classic Queasy. So I drew one picture. It's 6 inches by 8 inches, and so that says 48 inches squared. But I don't see how that helps you make the problem.
That's exactly what I did.
It doesn't help at all. Like, it doesn't show you anything. Macha, your dog is behind you.
I'm aware.
My dog isn't allowed in my room.
That's very sad.
Yeah, she's not even allowed to go upstairs anymore because she has a muscle injury. That's too bad. Am I out of water? Do I need to go get some more? A water droplet just spilled on my shirt. Okay. We love you, Dantinium. We love you, PewDiePie. We love our people. We forgive you, Microsoft.
See stuff over there?
Hold on.
Okay.
Yeah, see, even your dad can't do it, Macha. This must be impossible.
He's pretty smart. I don't know.
Yeah.
He usually just does everything.
Right.
I don't understand. This is the best banana I've ever seen.
How long is this podcast? This has been 40 minutes almost. Oh my god, that is a beautiful banana.
See, look, it looks the exact same.
I really like the background.
Thank you.
Very detailed.
Wow.
Wow, I like the small eye.
That's how you do it.
That is how you do it.
That's all you need to be a great artist. You just gotta make some bananas and then put some wood in the background. That's it. All you need.
We forgive you, Microsoft. I really don't know how to do this. This is so difficult.
Oh, you made any progress?
Yeah, I do know the maximum width would be 3 inches.
Okay.
Why?
That's progress.
Alright, so here's where my brain's at. Alright, so
I'm ready.
So you would have a rectangle, which would be 100 inches squared.
right?
See the maximum.
We know what the
But
inside of the picture frame, right? We know that's 48 square feet, but that doesn't really help us. And we know the outside's 100 square inches, right? So I said to myself, so, what is the perimeter of the picture?
28.
28. So the perimeter is 28 inches.
Uh-huh.
Our picture frame has a perimeter of 10 times 10, so 10, 20, 30, 40.
40.
40 inches, right?
So smart.
So I said, okay, so if I want to go maximum to 100 square inches, I would take the 40-inch perimeter minus the 28-inch perimeter, and I end up with 12 left. 12 inch. I divide that by 4.
wait, Macha.
3 inches on the side. So if I had 3 inches each side,
That says he doesn't know.
Yeah.
is 9.
Macha.
11 is 99. That's pretty darn close to 100. So I'd say that your inequality is probably, now as I was thinking
Good
about
night.
equality has
Good
to be
night.
greater than or less than, right? Because the can't be, there has to be a minimum, right? Can't be,
Yeah,
right?
I guess.
Has to be bigger than 0.
Yeah.
Macha.
I don't know.
Macha.
I don't know either.
So it says that the pieces of wood he uses to build the frame all have the same width.
With
So does that mean that all the sides are the same?
I don't know.
That doesn't. So is it a square or is it a rectangle? Like it doesn't make any sense. So would it just be 25 if that means that it's a square?
Look it up.
Tori can look it up. This is my grown-up math. I just, in my head, you're asking me how width. I said the max width can be 3 inches. Do you believe me? Yeah.
I'm just gonna look it
This is so confusing.
Now, your teacher came up with this in her own head, right?
No.
up. They do not.
I bet Mrs. Long couldn't even figure this out.
This is
Were you looking it up?
on the internet.
Oh, okay.
In the dictionary.
Okay, it's one of these. One of these is going to work. Maybe if I look up the question itself.
Yeah, you'll probably find it on like algebra.com or whatever the thing's called. I went there like twice.
Oh, see, look, someone already looked it up. See?
Yeah, see? Things these kids got nowadays.
Okay. 6 times 8, what?
Where you at? There's no answer.
They just said 6 times 8 times 2 would be 100 inches. Thanks, person. That really helps.
6 times 8 times 2 is not 100.
Is that
96.
someone who got it wrong?
Wow, that's great. Okay, so original area. What's the scale factor?
Oh, it would be like you multiplied the picture by 2, so that you multiply both sides by 2, like the length and the width, and then that's 96.
I don't understand any.
That's the I think that's the scale factor. It would be 2 in that
No,
instance.
I don't think this is it. I think this is the wrong one.
I have to look this up myself now. August
Here, read that.
Wait, found it?
Oh, just the answer sheet for your whole homework. Man, technology's awesome.
Okay, so 2x plus 8 times 2x plus 6.
I think I found the same one.
Wait, so
But why?
how'd they get there?
I don't know.
How'd they get that? How'd they get 2x plus 8 and 2x plus 6?
Who cares? Let's just write it down.
Because there's two sides, right?
Macha, it's been hours. I think we're good with a wrong answer at this point. At least we have an answer.
Here, read.
How does he expect us to know this?
I don't know. Mrs. Long probably should have taken some time to talk about this during our 40 minutes of her talking.
Try to solve this problem.
I did. 3 inches. Let's see what their answer is.
It's 1.5.
They said 1.5. They're wrong.
Perfect
I
logic.
know it'd be twice as much.
Perfect logic, you're right.
Oh my god. What is this x squared plus 7x minus 13 equals 0 nonsense
These are
over here?
quadratic equations.
But where did they get x squared plus 7x minus 13 equals 0?
There's 2 parts added to each side. What does it mean 2 parts added to each side?
That doesn't even make any sense.
2 pieces of wood that make up. So it's a square. So there's 4 sides, 2 8s and 2 6s.
How was I even supposed to think of that?
Are these all? Do you have all these windows open?
Yeah.
Holy.
How many do you have open, Macha?
You need all these windows. It's not even an inequality.
Yeah, it doesn't have to be. It said equation or inequality. This is probably wrong, honestly.
I think it's right.
It doesn't even make any sense. Where did they get x squared plus 7x minus 13 equals 0?
That's this answer. There, that looks more like an inequality.
Where'd they get x squared plus that? They divided everything by 4? No.
No,
Here,
that doesn't
can you show
even
them
make
this?
any sense.
No, but that's what they did.
Show them that.
That?
Yeah.
What is that?
That is the answer. What cannot be more? See, they say 1.5 inches too. I think they're wrong.
Why would they be wrong?
Because it's 1.5 inches, that would make it 9.5, 9.5 by 7.5. Which,
I'm not like this equation.
Crap. I don't like the answer. Right, read all that stuff.
You don't have to like the answer.
It's wrong.
You have to accept that it's right because it's clearly the right answer. Okay.
Hopefully it's the right answer.
I mean, it's the right answer on 2 different.
So what they're using is, and they're still doing the same
Right.
thing, they're using perimeter, they're not using the area. So when you look at the formula, you're doing length times width. But see, when they go 2x, that tells me they're doing perimeter. They're saying there's 2 sides, there's 2 8s and 2 6s. But see, this isn't equality because it's less than 100. It has to be less than 100.
So this one isn't an equality.
Don't worry about that one, that's stupid.
They're both the same answer.
Don't worry about that one. That's one stupid.
It should have said,
Okay, Macha, I'm done. I can't do this anymore. I don't really care how they got this answer. I'm just done.
Hey, can I copy the answer? Can I just...
Yeah, just copy it, Macha.
tell you for a test, you know. And they let you use computers in school, right?
Definitely.
How is anyone supposed to figure this out?
I mean, your dad was even wrong for like 20 minutes, Macha.
Right, so x is the width, okay, has to be added to both sides of the picture, plus the top and bottom. See, they are using Yeah. 'Cause-
Night.
I like the way that's done. I don't. 1.5 doesn't make sense to me. I would go with 3.
Then you would get it wrong.
And you know why? Because you're not doubling the 6 or the 8. You're just using 6 and 8.
What? I don't even know what your dad is talking about at this point, Mitchell.
Okay, how about this? If the max width is 1.5, what's 8? So what's 9.5 calculator? 9.5 times 7.5.
9.5 times
7.5. That's 71.25 square inches. Not 100.
What?
That's a wrong answer. Education has failed you.
Why?
Because it doesn't pass the, where's the check? It doesn't pass the check. I know it doesn't pass the check, so it's not.
But if you
I mean,
with that equation though.
nobody knows how to do this, so I guess you want to get some points since it's worth 6 points. Like, this literally doesn't make any sense.
9 times 11.
Where do you that from? How'd you do that?
2 times, like if you use the original equation, 2x plus 6 times 2x plus 8. 2 times 1.5 plus 6 times 2 times 1.5 plus 8 would equal 99.
Oof, got
I'm
him.
telling you the formula was wrong.
Oh, you're saying the equation is wrong.
Yes.
Well, Machado would equal 99 because it got rounded, so I think it would
And
equal...
half of 3, because it's going to be 1.5 inches on both sides.
Got him! Machado, is this a got him moment?
I don't even know.
Machado, just say got him!
So, no, but it,
God.
I don't know. I'm really confused.
Oh my god.
That's great.
I thought that he was like going back on his word and saying, "Oh, this thing's right," and now it's not. It was right. It was wrong for like 20 minutes, and now then it was right, and then it was wrong, and now it's right again.
Wide, and with 1.5 on each side, that would make it 9 inches.
What? So you're wrong.
I am wrong.
Okay.
I will concede.
The internet is right.
Is he gonna say that he's right again? Machado, what are you doing? Stop attackinizing me.
There's your formula. Use it. Finish up 30 whatever times it.
I don't understand how would you expect us to do this?
I don't know. I thought you learned all this stuff.
No, we did not.
I didn't learn that. I didn't learn to become a genius.
Macha,
Hard to figure out.
can you tell Macha, can you tell your dad to stop attackinizing you?
First question I've ever seen.
Stop attackinizing me.
Okay, well.
Because you know where I failed is I didn't add to 2x to both sides. I didn't add 2 x's, I only added 1 x. Which gave me a bigger number, which was 3.
Wow,
That.
that's messed up.
X's.
Yeah, so it's being 1.5 instead of 3.
Right.
So sad.
I like my way better.
That's great to see. You would make your way like get the right answer, then I would like your way better too.
Got him.
Should I eat this banana?
Yeah, to fit in your ice cream.
That sounds disgusting. Is if it's green, like, am I not supposed to eat it?
No, I tried. I don't like the green ones, but actually it was okay. It was recommended.
Oh, so you don't like the green one, but you like the
That particular green one actually tasted okay. It was soft enough because like the hard green, regular green ones are like hardly, they're all
They're
bitter.
not ripe. These bananas, they aren't ripe. Gotta get the perfect ripeness of a banana.
Oh, it's a baby pigeon.
Thank you.
I do feel the hardness of the texture in this banana. It's definitely got a thicker consistency, I do see that. All professional banana taste. So. Okay. Why are you looking at me like that?
My brain thing.
You're letting your brain think? Okay. That's pretty cool. Oh wow, I can leave a comment
On what?
on the site.
Thank you. Tell them my dad had a better answer, even though we got it wrong. Macha,
Getting to the end of this banana.
are you enjoying it
Mm-hmm.
thoroughly?
Yeah.
Classic Macha. Is your dad still in your room?
Yes.
What is he doing?
Thinking very hard.
Is he just staring at you?
He's staring at the ground. What are you thinking of?
Maybe he's just having an intense conversation with the ground.
Let the brain work, okay?
Okay.
And take out outside energy.
I see.
Macha, what are you doing?
You didn't get it right.
That's not happening. Macha, what is this?
With what?
You just put your legs up into your chair.
Yeah.
This is not very comfortable. Hold on.
This took the same answer.
Is he still trying to figure out the thing? Is he trying to figure out a different way that he likes better than the regular way?
Do you like my drawing of this banana? He's thinking too hard.
Classic Macha. Macha, can you still hear me? Macha! I guess not. Macha, is your dad still staring at the ground?
Try not to get through. The best way saying it. Go. Wrong one.
What's the secret, Mario?
I don't know. That's Mario. It's not where did I put it? Oh, I put it here? No.
Machado, did you do the questions before that?
I think so.
You didn't do the one with the volume or whatever. I'm relatively certain.
Probably.
We love you, Dentium. We love you, PewDiePie. We love our people. We forgive you, Microsoft. That was some rapid writing, Macha.
Thank you.
Classic Macha, never change. Macha, I don't think that you've changed since kindergarten.
Probably not.
You're literally the exact same. Classic Macha.
Oh, wait, is it under there? Are you done with this?
Yeah, because I'm still, my brain's still not functioning.
Still getting
Yeah, because I did it in terms of perimeter in order to get the width from here to here. So I'm using this perimeter. Basically, I'm taking this perimeter, which I know is 40 inches, because 100 square inches, perimeter is going to be 40. Right?
so it's less than 100.
Right, so it's going to be less than 40, it's going to be less than 40 inches. So I come up, and so I use 4F because there's 4 sides. Subtract out the middle piece, because we have 2 squares, so I subtract out the middle. And I should be left with the outside, and the outside I'm left with 3 inches. But it's going to be half of that because there's 2 sides, I got to divide it between 2 sides, top and bottom.
So when you divide 3 by 2.
Yeah, but I don't know how to do that in a formula in the beginning. I'm not going to say 8x, but then why am I saying 8x? So that's all I'm doing. I'm just taking this perimeter, I'm basically taking this perimeter, subtracting out this much, and seeing what's left.
What?
And that's the presented side. So I'm taking what's left and I'm dividing it by 4. So we're going to divide by 8. Just a good formula. And you tell the teacher, I don't know why, the computer told me to.
You don't think there?
Wow. That's messed up. So has your dad finally admitted defeat, or is it gonna go on for the next 2 hours?
Are you sad?
Heck no, that was 30 years ago.
That I probably just beat you.
I'm glad I got that far.
But this piece of paper just destroyed you.
Got him.
Do you have an answer? I usually got 3 and I was only off by a half.
1.5.
Yeah.
I would have got partial credit for my perimeter theory, wouldn't I?
I guess so.
So Mr. Mike and Adam would be like, I don't know. Is it 5?
I have no idea.
Got him. I think he just shut his hand in the door.
That was interesting, wasn't it?
Macha, are you done with your homework yet?
No.
What do you still have to do, Macha? It's not that hard. You can do it in like 2 minutes.
Are you sure?
Macha, don't get your dad in here to do it.
I can copy this. So.
I can't believe it took us like 5 hours to do that question.
And we still couldn't do it.
Yeah, that's kind of ridiculous.
Man, I hope that's on the region so we get to take 5 hours. I can't.
And then Luke's just gonna walk out.
He's like, yeah, I'm done.
I'm done. Like at the end of the Earth Minecraft parody.
I'm done.
I'm done.
I'm getting so many texts.
From
Texts. I
whom?
have 95 texts.
Wow, that's crazy. We love you, Dan TDM. We love you, PewDiePie. We love our people. We
Do we
forgive.
have assembly tomorrow?
Yeah, we do.
Do we have like 30-minute period?
Yes.
Easy. That's cool.
Let's go.
That's cool. Oh, can we have 1 hour assembly?
Oh. Well, I mean, we do have to listen to the band to play, and I don't know. They're the band. Our orchestra has only played at one assembly in 4 years.
It plays at like every assembly.
Yes. Because we were supposed to play last year, but then we had a snow day, and so we didn't. That's great. Town of Salem is on sale. Macha,
What?
we need to play Town of Salem.
Why?
It just looks like a lot of fun.
We would need all the people to play it.
Yeah, we need 7 people.
We need the whole gang.
Right.
Do we even have 7 people?
Let's check.
Sean, Jack, Lacey,
Luke.
Luke, Chris,
Chris? Oh, Kaden.
Ghetto,
And that's Anissa.
Ghetto.
Probably not.
Yeah, no. Okay, so we got. Oh, Red Chair 11, of course.
Red Chair 11 as usual.
3, 4, 5. Who's Fiery Fire?
Ivan.
Okay.
Okay.
7. Okay, yeah. So I guess we do have 7.
Yeah, we might have to play with a random. Because Jack is never here. And
Lacey can't afford it.
Queasy can't afford it, even though it's $3.74.
No, it's just out of his pocket.
I mean, he can spend $1 on ice cream every day and even afford to lose some money. But he can't buy a $3 game.
Vending machine $8.
This guy has 4,700 hours in this game. Oh my.
Are you talking about Train Simulator?
No, I'm talking about Town of Salem. That's crazy. CSGO, I have 220 hours.
I have a half of an hour.
Dark Souls 3, I have 36. Black Mesa, 21. BioShock, I played for 3 hours. It's okay, I guess. Binding of Isaac, 411. I mean, that's pretty good.
I really just don't understand this formula at all. But I mean,
Yeah, it's so confusing. I don't know why she gave us that without like any help on it at all. I doubt anybody could figure it out. And I bet she's gonna yell at John because I bet John got the right answer, but he didn't do it in the way that he was supposed to.
John always get the right answer. I don't understand.
I don't know.
And Ty always does this weird thing where he just gets the right answer in the craziest way possible.
Yeah, pretty much. And then Derek is always like, beautiful.
Ty's just like, yeah, I drew a square and then I expanded the square into a graph.
And then I did this thing, and then I did this other thing, and then I did it in a really stupid way, but it worked.
I plotted the graph into a system of equations, then solved the system.
Yep. And then there's Luke with his beautiful explanations, and then Derek just says, beautiful.
And then I took the sense deviation of beautiful.
Which, how is it to sit in the same row as Derek? Do you ever just look behind you and go like, that's Derek?
No. Never.
You should do that, but just say it out loud. Like when Mrs. Long is just she's teaching away, and you're just like, "That's Derek." And then PJ will be like, "Thank you,"
Thank you.
and then Bahir will say, "Okay." And Mrs. Long will be like, "Nobody needs your comments, Bahir."
He really always says the same thing.
And then John will be like, "Oh, well, I didn't show the work, which is what you've been telling me to do all year." But I still got the right answer because I did it in my head in this really complex way that I really can't share with you peasants.
Is it really that hard?
Like, literally, he's just like that meme where it says, "Is this some sort of peasant joke that I'm too rich to understand?" It's literally John in our class. Like, when Mrs. Long is teaching us a new formula, John is like, "Is this some sort of peasant joke I'm too rich to understand?"
Somehow he does guess and check on a problem that seems impossible.
Yes, I know. Like, it would be a problem like the one that we just did, where you can't even start it because you don't know what's happening. And then John is like, "Oh, yes, let me just plug in this. Oh, there's the right answer." He's literally a magician.
He's just like, oh wait, it's 1.5. It's half of 3, you know?
Micah's dad got 3. I know this because I'm just a mind reader. So then I'm like, oh, okay, Micah's dad can't be that smart. Just divide it by 2 and that's your answer.
That's mean. How dare you? How dare you?
Oh my god. Well, everybody's too stupid compared to John.
Okay, this site says explain. The wood adds 2 times.
Yeah, I wrote down that explanation. It doesn't make any sense, but at least it's an explanation.
How does it add 2 times?
It doesn't make any sense. Macha, this podcast has been 1 hour and 13 minutes. It's still going. I should probably start uploading it now. Bye, podcast. We hope you enjoyed your stay.